Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. On to episode, I want to show you 5 best survey apps or websites that can make you money or that can earn you money as a Ghanaian. Yeah. So before we start, Randall Technology Company is an online company that help you boost your growth, your profits, and your brand online. Yeah. So if you want to grow as an online business company, you can hit us up and we'll guide you, give you strategies, business ideas for you to grow your business online. Yeah. So today's episode, I want to show you 5 best survey websites or apps in Ghana that can earn you money. Yeah, so no time to waste. Let's start from the top to the down. Yeah, so number 1 on my list is Swagbucks. Yeah, Swagbucks is an online survey app that can earn you money as a Ghanaian. All you need is log in to their website, input your Gmail and sign up and follow their survey. Yeah, by answering some survey questions, then they will give you money for your contributions. So if you're a Ghanaian and you want to earn money online, Swagbucks is a company that you have to log in or join, and through your contribution to their survey, they will reward you with money. Yeah. So number 2 is Survey Time. Yeah, Survey Time is also a survey website that can earn you money as a Ghanaian. All you need is log into their website, input your Gmail, follow their instructions, and sign up. So after signing up, then you participate in their survey questions. So by contributing to their survey questions, then they will reward you with some points. And one thing about Survey Time is, like, after logging in with your Gmail, and they will frequently hitting you up when there's a survey for you to participate. Yeah. So number 3 is Future Points. Yeah, Future Points is also a survey app that will help you as a Ghanaian to earn money online as a surveyor. Yeah. So all you need is log into their website and participate in their survey, and you will get points. So when the points reach a maximum number they are expecting, then they will generate the points to dollars for you to withdraw it. Yeah. So the next point on my list is Super Pay Me. Yeah, Super Pay Me is also a survey app that can earn you money as a Ghanaian. Yeah, all you need is log into their website and participate in their survey, and they will reward you handsomely. Yeah. So the last point on my list is Pocket Stream. Pocket Stream is also a survey app that can earn you money as a Ghanaian. All you need is spend much time on their platform, answering questions, contributing to their business ideas by surveying. Yeah, and then they reward you with points. So when the points reach a maximum points, they have a maximum point that you can withdraw. So when your points reach that, then you are good to withdraw it. Yeah. So this are the top 5 best websites or best survey websites that can earn you money as a Ghanaian. Yeah, I hope you like this video. You comment and share it to your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because we have a lot to discuss and a lot to learn. Yeah. My name is Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Randall Technology Company is an online company booster. So if you are a small company and want a business ideas to grow your business, or you want a brand guide, yeah, we can help you grow your business online. So don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as Randall Technology Company. You can also check our stuff on www.randalltechnology.blogspot.com. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm signing out. Peace out.